A is for aeroplane. Aeroplane flies so high. B is for buffalo. Buffalo is big and strong. C is for car. Car goes fast on the road. D is for dolphin. The dolphin swim in the deep blue sea. E is for eagle. Eagle flies so high and wide. F is for friend. Friend is kind and always near friend. G is for garden. Garden is full of flowers so bright. H is for helicopter. Helicopter. I is for Iceland. Iceland is cool with snow so white. J is for jungle. Jungle is green, full of tree and sound. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo jump with a pouch so neat. L is for lamp. Lamp gives light when it's dark at night. M is for moon. Moon. The moon shines bright in the sky so high. N is for night. Night. It is calm with stars so bright. O is for ocean. Ocean is big and full of blue. Is for panda. Panda loves to eat bamboo. Panda plays and dancing around, rolling softly on the ground. Q is for quail. Quail is a pen from long ago. R is for reward. Reward. The reward dance with a beep and swing. S is for snake. Snake is long and loves to slide. T is for tiger. Tiger run fast and gives a roar. U is for universe. Universe is big and full of light. V is for volcano. Volcano is hot with lava inside. W is for wool. Wool runs wild in the moonlight. X is for Exynope. Exynope is small and loves to peep. Y is for yard. Say smooth for water on view. Z is for zoo. Zoo is full of animals to see. Lions, monkey and bird in the tree. The boy is crying, he looks sad. Why are you crying? What happened to you? no one likes or subscribe to our channel. It makes me feel sad. Don't cry, everyone will like and subscribe soon. Please like, subscribe and share our channel.